Last tutorial we learned about friends, followers, and chats. Today we're going to be continuing by learning about the newsfeed and the posts from the daycares. So you can see right now I'm in my personal account, and you can see that I'm following a couple of daycares. So I'm following a couple of daycares in different areas in Vancouver, and again I can get some recommendations for other daycares that I want to follow. It's as easy as clicking on one of them, and now I'm following that daycare. And the cool thing is any of these you can click into and you can see the individual profile right away. And I could do the same follow action over here. Now going back here to the Lucy platform set of pages where we were in the home page, you can see on the left hand side we have what's called the feed. This is basically a news feed of all the posts from the daycares that you're following. So right now we have a couple of posts from Little Acorn. You can see there was a post recently done, and for any of these I could expand it to see all the text, or I could collapse it. I could go through the photos if the post happens to have some photos, and I could leave a reaction based on how I feel about the post. We can also click on any of the photos and open up this large photos view. And then the cool thing is that we have the same comments over here from the different people. And then we can click on any of the people directly and go to their profile as well. This allows us to basically have a couple of social interactive features where you can follow and friend people that you're commenting and having interactions on comment posts. And then the final view is if I click directly into the comments, I can see the comment section right here. So currently the newsfeed is only for posts from the organizations and from the daycares, but soon we're going to be expanding it so personal accounts from parents will also be able to create their own posts. But for now, you can just scroll around and you can see any kind of updates that you have from the different daycares, and you can stay alerted with any openings or any updates they might provide related to their daycares. One final little hidden feature that we have, if we go back to the home page, you can see if I scroll down a little bit, we have daycare reviews. So right now we have a simple rating system where if you have any interaction with the daycare, you can leave a thumbs up and thumbs down. And we basically average these, and the combination of the number of thumbs up and thumbs down that we have, we give each daycare a rating, which helps them a tiny bit rank higher or lower based on their rating and experience with parents. So if you have any individual experience with any of the daycares on our platform, please consider contributing by leaving a rating based on your experience with them. That covers everything we needed to related to the social features at Lucy's Circle. Thanks for watching.